Set up a hog unit here. Got a lagoon pond here. Coyotes are coming right across here. You can see here in the mud all the tracks, and put a dirt hole along there, and second coyote. You can see up that trail a little bit. There's a catch circle. Caught a female there a couple days ago. They just run this ridge. There's a hog unit right over the hill there. Caught another coyote. Farther down that way, there's a drainage that comes up. They run that drainage all the way up here too, so caught one out there a couple days ago. 3 so far off of here. Only had it set for 3 days, so doing pretty good coyote day. Thanks for watching.